Hello children, in a previous session we saw how seeds turn into plants, that is what are the conditions needed for the seeds to sprout. It needs proper air, water and soil for seeds to grow into plants. For sprout it needs water and air. In proper quantities water and air it sprouts. When we put it in soil, it grows into a plant. Germination and procedure. The process is called germination of seeds. You have learned about germination of seeds in your science lessons. So you can prepare a note on germination of seeds and submit it in the classroom. So we were looking at plant your seeds. You were asked to plant different kinds of seeds. Name of the seed, the date on which you planted them. You are asked to observe when do different seeds grow into plant. The day you observe something coming out of the soil, start filling the table. That is when it sprouts. Adinte stem namukku kaanan thodangi kayinjal appo mudalkana nammalodu tabulate cheyan paranu. We know as soon as we plant the seed in the soil, it does not come out. The next day also it does not come out. It takes some time for it to germinate. How long did it take for the plant to come out from the soil? It takes about a week's time for the plant to come out from the soil. What was the difference in height of the plant on the first day and second day? Probably around 0.5 centimeter or so. On which day did the height of the plant increase the most? On the third. This usually happens on the third day. Did new leaves come out of the plant every day? You might have observed that leaves come out of the plant every day. Was there any change in the stem of the plant? Of course, the stem goes thicker and thicker. As days pass by, the stems become thicker and thicker. Which seed took the most number of days for the stem to come out of the soil? Probably coriander seeds take a long time to come out of the soil. Which seed took the least days to come out of the soil? Tomato seeds come out very fast. Which seeds did not grow at all? Why? If it gets proper conditions, all the seeds will grow. But if it does not get the necessary conditions like air, water, it may not grow. So in case some of your plants did not grow, just mention. In case everything has come out, please mention that. Did anyone's plant dry up or turn yellow? Why did this happen? If a plant turns yellow or it dries up, it is because of lack of water. So the plant did not get enough water to grow. That is why it turned yellow or plant turned dry. What would happen if the plants do not get water? They turn yellow and then they dry off. What is inside the seed? We know the seed coat and ullil endokkeyanallathu cotyledons and embryo. How does a big plant grow from a tiny seed? When you soak the seed, it becomes soft. Then it breaks the seed coat, and seed coat in the till the plant gets in till the root grows. The cotyledon gives enough food for the embryo to grow. The embryo grows into the root as well as the shoot. The germination process ningal padichadana. So probably you can make a note of the germination here. Just to mention it. What would happen if the plants could walk? This is an imaginary question. You can draw a picture imagining how it would be if a plant could walk. Do some plants grow without seeds? Yes, some plants grow without seeds. Chelapa branches and pudiya plants varum. Shoot, you might have seen cheladinte root and pudiya plants varnada. If you just plant it, another plant comes out of it. So not all plants need seeds. Plants which hunt, you might have heard about this, a pitcher plant. There are some plants which trap and eat frogs, insects, and even mice. The pitcher plant is one such plant. It is found in Australia, Indonesia, and Meghalaya in India. It has a pitcher-like shape and the mouth is covered by a leaf. The plant has a special smell that attracts insects to it. When the insect lands on the mouth of the plant, it gets trapped and cannot get out. What a clever way to hunt. So, animal eating plants. So, example of this is the pitcher plant, which is found in Meghalaya in India. So many seeds. How many types of seeds can you collect? You might have seen different seeds at home. Melon seeds കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും, then ആപ്പിളിന്റെ സീഡ്സ് കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും, മാംഗോ സീഡ്സ് കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും, ഓറഞ്ചിന്റെ സീഡ്സ് കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും, പപ്പായ സീഡ്സ് കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും, then the cereals that we eat, green grams, moong dal, chana, coriander, cumin seeds, different types of seeds. ഇഷ്ടം പോലെ seeds, mustard seeds, sesame seeds, coconut. You might have seen seeds of some flowers. Where will you find them? We see them everywhere around us. Each of you should try to collect as many different types of seeds as you can. After that, put all the seeds collection together. Now observe these seeds carefully, their shapes, sizes, colors, texture, etc. It is smooth or rough. Make a seed chart to put up in the class. You can start with a table like this. See, here it is given rajma. It is reddish brown in color. This is the shape of the rajma bean. Then its texture is smooth. Then methi seeds. Methi seeds are yellowish in color. It's a small seed that's again smooth. Jeera, that is cumin seeds. It is brown in color. Then jeerada shape ningal kandittundao. It's rough in texture. Papaya seeds, again they are rough in texture, little elongated or round in shape, black in color. Papaya seed ningal kandittundao alle, green gram. You can draw some pictures of it. So did you keep aniseed and cumin in your list? Which was the smallest seed and which was the biggest seed in your collection? If you have taken mustard is very small. Then the cumin seeds, anise seeds are all very small in size. Which was the biggest seed? In case if you had kept mango seed in your collection, mango seed is the biggest in the collection, right? Now moving forward, seeds that are used as spices in your home. Ipo nerthe paranadupole cumin seeds, anise seeds, sesame seeds, mustard. These are all used as spices in a house. Seeds of vegetables, melon seeds. Then you might have seen seeds of bitter gourd, lady's finger, chili. Seed of fruits, apple, orange, tomato. Light seeds, light aittullada you can mustard seeds are light. Then cumin seeds are light, sesame seeds are light. Seeds which are flat, pumpkin seeds kandittundannengil pumpkin seeds flat aanu. You can make a list of your own. Make more groups. How many groups of seeds did you make? Do you know any games that you can play with seeds? Discuss with your friends. You might have seen people in your house play with tamarind seeds. പുളിയുടെ കുരു കൊണ്ട് കളിക്കണ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. These days it is not very common, but earlier days it used to be very common, wherein we used to play with seeds of tamarind. Okay, so in case if you can find other seeds that are used to play, please do make a list of all those things. Note it down either in your textbook itself or in your notebook. So that's about seeds. We'll look more about seeds in our next session. With that, I'll stop my today's session, children. Thank you and take care.